Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. Today, I'm going to be doing a quick product review of the FIFINE USB condenser microphone, and let's hop right into it.
Yeah, I'm like, oh God, oh my God.
To this video, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to get notified exactly when I upload, and comment down below. And now let's get into the video. Today's shout out is going to be going to Clean Shot Cubing YT or YouTube. This guy's been very supportive on the channel. He's been liking my videos, as well as he turned on notifications and subscribed. So if you guys want to get a free shout out on the channel, make sure to do those same steps. This guy currently has 1 subscriber. I like his banner. It seems that he is uploading sort of like a Rubik's Cube video, as well as a Warships Blitz epic battle. So yeah, go check him out, guys. In his description is Yeet. So yeah, if you guys want a free shout out, make sure to do those steps and you could be featured on the channel. And let's get into the video. Okay guys, so the first thing I want to talk about in respects to this microphone is overall build quality and what came in the box. I just posted, or before this was a quick unboxing of it, and now I'm just going to talk about build quality. So it does come with this little tripod. The pegs right here are made of metal, so that's nice. This part is rubber right here, which connects the microphone to the tripod. So this is rubber, and they also have like little rubber feet just so it doesn't move around a lot. So overall, the stand, I'd say pretty solid, probably like 8 out of 10 for a stand. I mean, most tripods come with a stand like this, but this is good since it's made of metal. The overall, like, this part of the microphone is also metal. This bends as well right here. It's very stiff, which I like, so it's not like it doesn't move around a lot. It stays in place, very solid, and you really have to give it some force to get it to move, but I like that about it. It does not come with a detachable cable. As you can see, this is built in, so if this breaks, you cannot get a new one. So that's a downside. And just remember, this is USB right here. This is a USB microphone. This is not a 3.5 millimeter jack microphone, so just be aware of that. This part, I think this is also metal, very sturdy. It also comes with this little filter here that you can put on the end, just to like block out any like water that may come out of your mouth when you're speaking and stuff like that. And let me just cut and I'll show you what it looks like without this on. Okay, so this is what it looks like without the filter, as you can see. This filter is pretty cheap. I mean, you can get these anywhere. It's very cheap, but yeah, this looks like a studio quality microphone. Very well built. I'm gonna get into a sound test coming up, but yeah, guys, overall build quality, this thing looks really nice. You can just tell like it's made of solid materials. Most professional microphones look like this. Yeah, I have no real complaints about it. So now I'm gonna hop into an audio test, and you guys can let me know what you think of this. So let's hop right into that. Before I hop into the audio test, I'm actually using the microphone right now, but this isn't part of the audio test. This is what it looks like on Amazon. I just wanted to show you how it's advertised and the pricing it goes for. So currently it goes for like $21.99, so 22 bucks. This is a universal microphone. It literally works with anything you want. It's got great reviews. What are the reviews on here? What is this? It's got 4.4 out of 5 stars, so you're pretty guaranteed that this is a quality microphone. That's what I'm trying to say. 50 hertz to 16 kilohertz. I don't really know what that means. If you guys know all that like spec stuff, just let me know, but that's how they're advertising it. I've seen this go on sale for around, I think, $16, $70 with a lightning deal on Amazon. So you can pick this up for cheap. So now going to be the first microphone test. I have my microphone plugged into OBS software. I just have a display capture up, and I'm standing around 3 to 4 inches away from the microphone, so you guys let me know the quality is from this distance, and now I'm going to transition to a farther distance. Okay guys, so now I'm standing around a foot to a foot and a half away from the microphone. You guys can let me know how this sounds in the comments section below. Once again, this is a test. You guys be the judge of how this sounds. And on to the next one. This is another test. I'm standing around 4 to 4.5 feet away from the microphone, so you guys be the judge of how this is at a distance when recording. So, yep, let me know. Okay guys, so just final thoughts on this USB microphone. This is actually the first USB microphone that I've actually picked up. In the past, I haven't really used microphones for my videos. I've just been using built-in mics. So yeah, I'd honestly give this like an 8.5 out of 10. So what you're getting for this microphone, I'd say, is a win. For only 22 bucks, you have a great sounding mic here. No complaints, great build quality. You're not going to be getting like Blue Yeti sort of audio quality, but this is a big step up, and I think from the audio test you guys can see that it does sound pretty decent and you can't really complain about anything here. So I'm going to leave a link in the description for you guys to go pick one of these up off Amazon. You just use my affiliate link. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, and if you want a free shout out, just turn on notifications and let me know you did so, and you could be featured to get a shout out on the channel. Yeah, make sure to like the video as well. Go follow me on Instagram and go check out my merch on Teespring, links below. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.